man, is it windy today. No drones today. Oh yeah, it's just starting to spit with rain now, so that's wonderful. I don't think we'll be out here too long. It's only for her sake. This is ridiculous. Come on, sweetheart. There's Trev. He never goes far. There she goes. She's older than what he is. She's nearly 13 and he's 12. Yes. Come on, old fella. Not good, mate, is it? No, not good at all. Come on, my old son. You're right. Hop in, son. Hop in. Ready? Ready? Get in. Right. Okay, ready? There we go. See, I have to lift him in. Now, Madam will be round here somewhere. She'll be on the dog training ground. There she comes. Come on in, sweetheart. That's where I normally fly my drones, but not today. Go, Sin. Sin. Come on. Yes, you. Come on. Right, good girl. Hop in. Yeah, in there. That's it. Okay, I don't know whether this has been recording or not, Ronnie.